Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Facebook password on a PC or laptop. And if you find this helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we need to do is open up our internet browser and come across to facebook.com, and if you're not already, then you just need to log into your account. I'm already logged in here, and the first thing we need to do is come to the top right hand corner and click on this little down arrow down here where it says account, and then we want to go ahead and click onto settings and privacy down here, and then we want to click onto settings at the top. From here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you need to click the second option down which says security and login. And then what we need to do is just scroll a bit down the page, and you'll see there's a box there which says login, and what you need to do is click the first option here which says change password. Just go ahead and click the edit button to the side of that option. So what it's going to do as a security check is ask you to enter your current password, and then just enter the password that you want to change to, and retype the passwords just to confirm. If you've entered the two new passwords successfully, it's going to say a password's a match, and it's also going to give you a rough idea of how strong your password is. Once you're happy, you just need to come down and click the Save Changes button. And there we go. That's been changed. So it says if you think someone else may have known your old passwords, it's a good idea to log out of any other phones and computers and check for recent changes to your account. So what this basically means is if you think you've been hacked, someone's got into your Facebook account, what you can do is click this top option here, review other devices, and it's just going to go through, and any devices that are logged into your Facebook account, you're going to confirm whether they're all good or not good. If it's okay and you've literally just updated your password because you wanted to, you just need to click this option here saying stay logged in. So I'm just going to click the stay logged in button, click on to continue, and you'll see that has now been changed. So I hope you found that helpful, and if it did help, drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.